Anthropic just made Claude's context window 1 million tokens by default, and most people are treating that like a spec bump. It's not. A context window isn't storage, it's working memory. Everything Claude can actually see while it's answering you, right now, in this conversation. Get that wrong, and the biggest number on the spec sheet won't help you at all. Here's the part people skip. Your context window is every word in the request, the system prompt, every message, every tool result, every image, plus whatever Claude generates in the response. It is not the ocean of data Claude was trained on. Training happens once, months before you ever open a chat. The context window is what's actually loaded into the room with you right now, and it resets every time you start fresh. 1 million tokens sounds abstract, so put it in words. Roughly 555,000 words, or about 2.5 million characters. That's not a paragraph. That's a full code base, a court case worth of filings, or a stack of novels, all sitting in Claude's working memory at the exact same time. Not every model gets it, and Anthropic isn't hiding the split. Claude Opus 5, Sonnet 5, and Fable 5 all ship the full 1 million token window by default through the API. No special flag, no waitlist, it's just there. Haiku 4.5 caps out at 200,000 tokens, and that's deliberate. Haiku is built to be the fastest model, not the biggest room. Here's the catch almost nobody mentions. What you get through the API and what you get inside claude.ai are two different numbers. On a paid plan, chatting with Opus 5 or Sonnet 5, you get the full 1 million tokens. Chat with an older model from the 4.6 through 4.8 generation, and you're capped at 500,000 in the chat window, even though that same model gets the full million through the API. The limit lies in the product, not always in the model. The pricing might be the most underrated part of this. There is no long context surcharge. A 900,000 token request bills at the exact same per token rate as a 9,000 token one. Sonnet 5 runs $2 in and $10 out per million tokens. Whether you're sending it a paragraph or an entire book, Anthropic removed the financial reason to hold back. So why doesn't everyone just max it out on every request? Because Anthropic's own engineers have a name for what happens when you do: context rot. As token count climbs, recall and accuracy quietly degrade, the model starts losing track of details buried in the middle. More room does not automatically mean a better answer. It means more space for good information or more space for noise, and that part is entirely up to you. Used well, this is genuinely powerful. Drop in a whole repository before asking for a refactor, hand over a full legal filing instead of a summary of it, paste in hours of meeting transcripts, and ask what actually got decided. Used badly, it's a junk drawer, dumping in every file you own just in case, buries the one paragraph that mattered under a million tokens of nothing. Anthropic also shipped something quieter that matters just as much: context awareness. Sonnet 5 now tracks its own remaining token budget automatically, mid-conversation, with no setting to flip. It's the difference between a model that guesses how much room is left and one that actually knows. My take: 1 million tokens doesn't remove the need to think about what you're feeding Claude. It removes your excuse not to. The ceiling was never really the problem. Sloppy context was. Bigger windows just make the difference between a curated prompt and a dumped folder more obvious than ever. That's today's lesson. New AI story every day. Follow and subscribe so you don't miss what's next.